Hello, everyone. Now, for today's activity, we're going to review supporting details in paragraph writing. To do that, we're going to go ahead and join the Jamboard, which I have pasted in the chat. I'll give you a little while to sign in. Seeing Tim, Erica, Timothy, what is going on over here? All right, double check. Okay, are you signed into Google? It shouldn't matter if you click on the link. There you go. Okay, I see you as unknown. Go ahead and sign in because I want to see who's writing what. Okay. Everyone else, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen while we have a few people who are still logging in. Okay. So on here, on the Jamboard, I have a few Post-its, which I like to use, just easy to organize, easy to move around. Now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 teams. And after I explain, I'm going to break you into 4 breakout rooms. Now, to begin with, we just want opinions, which are subjective or objective. If you say subjective, thumbs up, objective, thumbs down. Yeah, you can just, you can put your thumb up like that if you like to, or you can just do it in Zoom. Correct. Opinions are subjective. You got it. Which means we can have a million different ones. It's not correct or incorrect. You are, yeah, good. Okay, so here's what I want to do. Every person in your team needs to give me an opinion about smartphones in online classes. So not just smartphones are good, smartphones are bad. What are your feelings about using smartphones in a class like this? Okay, now for the format, I've chosen a different topic because I don't want to steal your thunder. So I'm talking about books. My opinion is that books are necessary for students to increase their vocabulary. So exciting. Now, we cannot say this is a fact. It's just an opinion. Maybe someone disagrees. I can get my vocabulary from talking to people. I can get my vocabulary from blah, 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 blah. So this is an opinion. We can argue about this, which is great. So first thing, you are going to create a sticky note, put your name first, Micah, and give your opinion. Every member in your group must give a different opinion. Now, remember, there's a million opinions. It can be anything, okay? But I need at least one full sentence, okay? Not just good, not just bad. Give me a real opinion, something that's talking about specifically in the classroom, okay? Once we've done that, we have multiple Jamboards for the different groups. I have my example right here. I have my opinion at the top, and how many supporting details? 3. And we will get into conclusions later. For now, we just want our supporting details. Important. Your details are subjective or... Tim, you're right? Okay. All right, yeah, you can type it in the chat. Okay, that's true. All right, yes, they are objective, which means we have to be able to prove them, something we can measure. So for example, my opinion, books are necessary for students to increase their vocabulary. My detail, a study published in Reading and Writing shows the students who read for pleasure scored higher on reading tests than students who only read for work. Now, it is a fact that the study says this, okay? It's a fact that it showed this. That's all we're saying. These are details that support the opinion. We need 1, 2, 3. Now, for this activity, We won't have citations because we're just practicing. We're not actually writing the paragraphs. But when we write actual paragraphs, every time we want citations when we're working on ultimately our essays. So you're going to save time if you get the citations, but we're going to cover that later. So I have team 1, team 2, team 3, team 4. And if you've forgotten with Jamboard, it's really easy to organize. If you go to the left, you'll see sticky note. Just click it, type anything you want, save it. And since we're making a chair, I'd like it below, please. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. Very handy, okay? So go ahead and work together in your breakout rooms. I'm gonna break you up right now. I'm gonna make it random today. All right, and I will be checking in on each of you, of course. And remember, I have my second computer here, so I can check on a few of you. So make sure you are talking, all right? Jamie, I know you're having audio issues, so I would like you to type, please, so I can check the chat log. Remember, we are getting participation for talking and chatting, okay? All right, I'm gonna let you go for now, and I will check on you in a little bit. Good luck.